everybody, it's Miss Harries here, and I've got my new friend Archie who joined my house over the weekend. We've been keeping each other safe and having lots of fun, and I hope you have as well. So today in maths what we are going to do is use our symbols greater than, less than and equal to show the order of numbers. So if we rewind our learning all the way back to probably about October, we're going to have a little recap on what the symbols mean. So first we have got greater than, and we remember that because the big fat bit comes first. Then we've got less than. Now this shows less than because the small bit comes first. And here, everyone knows this one, is our equal sign, so we call it equal to. Okay, so we're going to go through some examples together before I give you some challenges of your own. So here we have got two numbers. We've got 38 and 64. Now when we compare numbers, we say our special STEM sentence to help us remember what to do. And it is, first we look at the tens. If the tens are the same, we look at the ones. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to label my numbers to help me do this. Okay, so we've got 38 and 64. Now my first number has got 3 tens and my second number has got 6 tens. So I know that 38 is less than 64. You might want to write these in your jotter to help you. Okay, my next one then, I've got 27 and I've got 19. First we look at the tens. 2 tens, 1 10. So I know that 27 is greater than 19. Okay, the next one. We've got 43 and we've got 43. Now I can see straight away that they are equal to each other. So I'm going to write my equal sign here. Okay, the last ones then, we have got 76 and 72. Oops. Okay, so exactly the same. Tens, ones, tens, ones. Okay, so first we look at the tens. 7 tens, 7 tens. If they are the same, we look at the ones. 6 ones and 2 ones. So I know that 76 is greater than 72. Okay, and finally I have got 24 and 76. So I've got 2 tens, 4 ones, 2 tens, 7 ones. First we look at the tens. 2 tens, 2 tens. Oh no. So if they are the same, we look at the ones. 4 ones and 7 ones. So I know that 24 is less than 27. Okay, so what I'd like you to do is exactly the same as I've done, and you might want to write your tens and ones to help you, but these are the numbers that I would like you to compare. Okay, so we have got 27 and 35, 46 and 35, 46 and 43, 52 and 52, and so on. So if you pause this now and have a little go in your jotter, and I'll be back in a second for an extra challenge. Okay, good luck, see you in a minute. Okay, now I'm sure a lot of you found that quite easy, so there is an extra challenge. You don't have to do this, but if you'd like to challenge yourself further, then please do. So here I've got some missing number problems, and you'll see each time there is a different digit missing. So what you have to do when you have these ones, you have to read the whole sentence out loud. So I've got here, 72 is greater than 70. So 72 is greater than 70. Now I know if I put a 9 in there, that's not going to work because that is a bigger number. It has to be a smaller number. So I'm going to go for 70. So 72 is greater than 70. Awesome. So what you're going to do is you are going to work yourself through these little challenges here. You'll notice that there is a different digit missing each time, so you need to think about that STEM sentence and read the questions back to yourself, wondering if they make sense or not. Okay, so if you want to pause your screen now, you can get on with those. Well done, guys. Now, if you found that quite fun, you can actually turn this into a game with your parents. If you have got a dice in your house, what you can do is you and your parents could each roll 2 numbers. So, for example, you might roll a 1 and you might roll a 3. Then your parents might have a go and they might roll a 2 and then a 6. And what you can do is use a greater than or less than to see who won. So this time we know that 13 is less than 26, and the person with the highest number wins the point. So it might be Millie B is playing with her dad at home. Now in this case, Dad would have got the point. So Dad gets 1 point. And then you continue it again. So for example, Millie rolls a 2 and a 3, and Dad rolls a 1 and a 4. We know 23 is greater than 14. So this time, Millie would get the point. Now, this is a really good chance as well for you to practice your tally charts. So, 2 things in one. Okay, message me if you need anything at all, guys, and keep having fun and keep really, really safe. And we will see you again soon. Say bye.